Hi, good morning, everyone. So today is my day third of English speaking. Today we'll not discuss any topic or other thing. Today we'll discuss about how I was preparing for English as a beginner. It was very cool, you know. I'm in the ready field right now. You can look. So today we'll discuss how I was learning English day by day. So today is my third day. So I want to tell that I was learning by looking in YouTube English lectures, podcasts, and funny comedy. Yeah, these things. Second, I used to read books, newspaper, whatever maybe. I used to read. Third, I do vocab. I used to learn every day 9 or 10 like vocabs. I used to remember. And fourthly, I speaking practice. Means I speak practice like now. I was practicing. Yeah, we can talk. This is practice. Okay. Thirdly, oh sorry. Fifthly, I used PW Talks. It was free, but it have a pro version, but I using it was free. There there have a teacher, English teacher. They used to teach in Hindi. Means they used to teach in they used to they used to talks in Hindi. Sorry. The teacher was means sorry I'm not good in English. I can express my whatever you can say. So I was just learning. I mean to tell that I using PW Talks. There was a free. You can, if you are interested, you can join there. Uh, there was a question practice. There was a video lecture, 3 or 4 5 minutes, and there was a question practice and vocab. There was a present. They was to teach vocab. So I'm using PW Talks. Okay, for today I'm here. Just you can see there was a sunrise, but the camera quality is not good, so I can it cannot focus. So you can see the view. Okay. This what can we can tell. Mm, this weekend is small river, but I don't know actual meaning. It was very cold. I have cough means we can take in Hindi we can say खांसी हो गया है मुझे. You can see the video. I'm in village boy. Okay guys, thank you, take care. I hope you guys are doing well. Bye bye.